Hey everyone, Awesomer Kids here, and today we're going to be playing with the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse cash register. As you can see, we could try it out and press the buttons on the set. Let's get it out of the box and take a closer look. This set includes a green $1 bill. I have a $5 Mickey Mouse bill, a blue $10 bill, and a red $20 bill. It also includes a 25-cent coin, which is also a quarter, a 10-cent coin, this would be a dime, and a 5-cent coin, or you could call it a nickel. Here we also have a Mickey's Charge credit card. This cash register has the numbers 0 through 9. It makes a beeping noise when you press them. This green button is the on button, and the red is off. Although, it's kind of strange that it doesn't really turn off the cash register, because as you can see, after I press it, I can still make beeping noises when I press the other buttons. Over here is the total button, which opens up our cash register with the cool sound effect. We could store our cash and coins into our cash register here. This blue Mickey button says fun little Mickey Mouse lines when you press it.
Hey there! It's me, Mickey Mouse! What mouse tools do we need today? Say, that old mouse could do it! Huh? Diggity dog! Great choice!
I'm not sure what this white glove button is for, but when you press it, it just makes a normal beep sound. Unfortunately, this cash register doesn't have a working calculator, but if you move this yellow dial here, you could see different values come up, like $2.50, $9.99, and $5. We also get a cute little Mickey Mouse barcode scanner. It has a button on the back, but too bad it doesn't make any kind of sound effect. Maybe that's what the white Mickey Mouse glove is for. Who knows? On the right here, we have a pretend conveyor belt. I wish it moved like our Just Like Home playset, but this one just has a sticker on it. Alright, it's time to buy some surprise toys. I'm going to buy one Spider-Man surprise egg and one Doc McStuffins FashEms. Let's use the scanner to see how much this will cost. The Spider-Man surprise egg costs $1.50. And the Doc McStuffins FashEms costs $1. For a total of... do you guys know? $2.50. I'm gonna use my Mickey Mouse credit card to pay for my toys. Now let's unwrap them. Start with the Spider-Man surprise egg. We get an Agent Venom sticker. Here's some star pink shaped candy. Here are all the surprise toys you can collect. And for the surprise toy... whoa, nice! It's an Agent Venom theme today. At first glance, it looks like a mini shield, but if we go back to the list, you attach this onto your bike wheel. It'll give your bike some major style points. Okay, now let's check out this Doc McStuffins FashEms. The Doc is in! We got Doc McStuffins! She's wearing her usual white lab coat and her pink shoes. Looks like she's ready to heal her patients. And of course, she's very, very squishy. That was so much fun! I'm gonna buy some more surprise toys! This time I'll get one Disney Princess FashEm, one Lego minifigures blind bag, one Squinky's Dewdrops Mystery Villa, and one My Little Pony blind bag.
Woo! Big spender!
The My Little Pony blind bag costs $2. The Squinkies Dewdrop Mystery Villa costs $3. The Lego minifigures cost $4. And the Disney Princess FashEms costs 99 cents. Do you know how much that adds up to? $9.99. I'm gonna pay for this purchase with my $10 Mickey Mouse bill. I think I'll let the store keep the change.
Thank you! Come again!
Let's start by checking out the My Little Pony blind bag. Here are all the characters we can collect. And today, we got Cinnamon Breeze. She loves baked treats. Hey Cinnamon Breeze, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm doing just fine. You got any baked treats around here?
Sorry, no. I'll have it for you next time. Alright, now let's check out the Squinkies Dewdrops Mystery Villa. Here are all the characters and dues we can collect. Nice! We found Marley Chip. Bright and early, she's ready to go. Singing the morning wake-up call is her favorite activity. Ah, we got the Sunday Do. If you're in need of your Sunday best, this is what you wear. We found Paul Parka. Just like Marley Chip, he's an early riser and has a cheery attitude. Alright, Paul. I don't know if this is totally your style, but if you want to look nice for grandma or when visiting family, this is what you wear. Not bad. Now let's give Marley her Sunday Do. Okay, come on. I know the hat fits. There we go. Marley, you look great.
Chirp, chirp. Thank you.
Now let's check out this Legos minifigure. Here's a list of all the characters we can collect. Woo! A lot of pieces. Let me quickly assemble this. Attach the hair. The body. Legs. And now attach him to the base. Give him his trophy. And place the dog right by his side, because this man is a dog show winner. Ruff, ruff. Actually, yeah. Why are you holding the trophy, huh? The dog is the real star here. I got your back, Mr. Dog. Ruff. Now let's check out this Disney Princess FashEms. Who did we get? Who did we get? Woo! We got the princess with the longest hair in the world. It's Princess Rapunzel. Check out her hair. It literally wraps around her body. Have a good day, Princess Rapunzel. Okay, I'm gonna purchase one more round of surprise toys. I'm gonna buy one Moshi Monster surprise egg, one Transformer surprise egg, one Finding Dory surprise egg, and one Adventure Time surprise egg. Each one cost $1.25. So I'll add up the prices and... Do you know how much that equals to? $5! That's correct! Perfect! I have a $5 Mickey Mouse bill. Now let's open up our surprise eggs. Let's start with this Finding Dory surprise egg. Here is the Finding Dory surprise collection. We get one surprise in each egg. Instead of candy, this egg comes with the cookie. Here's a Dory and Nemo sticker. Nice! We got a little puzzle game. All you do is move the toy around to navigate the metal ball inside and try to go around the maze. On to the Transformer surprise egg. Check out all the cool Transformer surprise toys we can collect. In this egg, we get some more candy. Whoa! This Transformer sticker is awesome! It's a picture of all the main characters. And for the surprise, we got this awesome Bumblebee clip. We can attach it to our backpack or our keys. Woo! Let's check out this Adventure Time surprise egg. Here are all the items you can collect. This candy is the same as the Transformers one. Ooh, we get an Adventure Time presents the Monster sticker. Yes, we got a Finn keychain. Now, on to our final surprise egg. Let's check out this Moshi Monsters one. These are the cool Moshi Monsters surprise toys we can collect. We get more colorful candy. Hey, we got a Zomer sticker. Wow, we found a lot of accessories today. We could tie this to our backpacks, clothes, and etc. And do you guys know who this character is? He's a big star. It's Dustin Bieber. All you Dustin Bieber fans can carry him around everywhere now. Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon.